What is going on? This is Altone, and this is the Ruko UD1601 four-wheel drive drift truck. This little truck has been a ton of fun to drive, four-wheel drive. I mean, so many different features. Drift truck, if you like watching drift racing and stuff of that nature, and to be able to do stuff with a little vehicle like this that you can't do with your personal vehicle is phenomenal. I love it. So let's talk about what comes with this guy, what's in the box, and basically a little bit about the truck itself. So what comes in the box is the Ruko 1601 Pro, 2 batteries, a full set of drift wheels and tires, a remote control, 2 USB charging cables, a full extra set of body pins, a screwdriver, hex wrench, a hex nut wrench, user manual, quick start guide, and disclaimer and safety guidelines document. As with every single RC vehicle, especially even the Ruko ones, I love that they come with 3 manuals. They give you the user manual, a quick start guide, and they also give you a disclaimer and safety guidelines manual. Make sure that you read all of them before you start using the truck. So a couple of the specifications of this little guy is, it is a 1/16 scale truck, 4-wheel drive. It has ESP or electric stability system, which is adjustable from the remote, independent suspension, 15 minutes of playtime depending on how you drive it, charge time of 2.5 hours per battery, and a remote range of 197 feet. Some of the functions that you have on this little truck is, of course, forward, reverse, multi-function headlights, adjustable steering assist, the ESP, which I talked about a few minutes ago, adjustable steering angle on the controller. So now let me take you around the truck and show you around a little bit so you can get familiar with that as well. The outside of the truck, of course, you've got your headlights, and these lights have multiple functions which are also controlled by the remote. Then you have your removable body, and your removable body has 4 body clips. Just take those off and you can take the body off. But as you do so with this little truck, make sure that you're careful because there are cables connecting the ESC on the chassis to the headlights. Under the body, you have your ESC/receiver, you have your steering servo, your brushed motor, power button, battery tray and hold down, your front bumper and your rear bumper, and removable wheels and tires, because you have 2 sets of wheels. You have the set of wheels that have the tread on them, and then you have the slicks for drift racing. And just a quick look at the remote. On the top you have the main interface, which has the ESP stabilization adjustment, your steering trim adjustment, the steering range adjustment, your throttle reverse, your steering reverse, car battery, transmission battery, and signal strength indicator LEDs. On the side you have your on-off switch, your steering wheel, which is padded, your channel 4 switch, which is your throttle speed limit switch, and then your channel 3 button, which is the headlight control button. And on the bottom you have your battery compartment that requires 4 AA batteries that are not included. So this little truck not only looks good, but it's also a ton of fun. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll talk to you again in a future video.